Steph Strickland with GeekWire Studios here at the Acumatica Summit 2026. And we're here right now to talk to Brian Cassell, the CFO of StormSmart, Customer of the Year. Congratulations on that.
Well, thank you very much.
Tell folks a little bit about what StormSmart does.
So StormSmart is a company that started back in 1996 with an idea around providing a hurricane protection screen. That's about 65% of what we manufacture and install, but we also install the standard aluminum products. We're in over 100,000 homes in Southwest Florida, and we've been expanding along the east coast of Florida and all the way up to Tampa.
The expansion is key for what we are going to talk about because it requires the support to be able to deploy your products and
Absolutely.
do so in a way that sort of manages scale. So let's talk about the operational complexities and how Acumatica is able to help solve some of your challenges.
Yeah, so absolutely. So we are an engineered to order product. So for us, we needed to figure out how to take all these legacy systems, whether they were Post-it notes, whether they were designed specifically for our business, and we had to get one integrated solution that we could deliver our product more efficiently, more effectively, more customer-centric. Those were all things that we needed to put in place to be able to scale appropriately. And we found that Acumatica was kind of the solution for us.
In what ways, in terms of the ability to quickly get data-driven insights from the cloud, or what was it for you that really set this apart?
Well, for us, it was about that operational complexity and being able to capture that and being able to have one version of the truth. We had multiple versions, and our leadership team spent a lot of time debating numbers. So it was able to give us that detail out of the gate, and now we're able to make better data-driven decisions that we weren't able to before.
One of the things when I speak with companies that bring anything into the cloud, ERP or otherwise, is making sure that everyone is comfortable speaking the same language. Now that your team has had the chance to see how this works, what's your sense of their sort of buy-in to this single data point?
Yeah, I think at first, one of the things that we did was we created user champions because we recognized very quickly that we needed to have change management and we wanted our employees to buy into what we were doing. As we've evolved, they've now gotten to the point where they are bringing ideas to us. They are giving us opportunities to figure out how to enhance. And we're going through and talking to our VAR, and we're also talking directly to Acumatica to say, is this something that's on your roadmap? And now they're bought into it. They're using one version of the truth, and we're able to really drive efficiency and productivity.
And if there's one thing that we have seen in customer interview after customer interview, particular partner interview with Acumatica, it is that ability to customize solutions for your particular business. You've touched on the fact that you are able to expand your business as a result of what you're doing. I'm curious, what has been the biggest business impact from working with Acumatica?
The biggest business impact, it's really driving that productivity and efficiency has been really the biggest impact for us, because now we can see a project all the way through. We have visibility to that project. I think that we're private equity held, so those board members, those owners now trust our data. They understand that it's real. They can see one version of the truth. And that's probably been one of the biggest impacts for us. They now know what we're sharing with them is real.
What's the value for you attending a summit like this?
So I think, this is my first summit, but our team has been here for the last 4 years. And really what they take away from this is they learn what's the next steps, what things can they do on their own to be able to enhance our experiences with Acumatica. And it's really that training that they take away from it. I think every one of these summits that they've been to, they've brought something back that has really added value to the business. But they've also built relationships with other companies. I think we look at peers and we say, okay, how can we do things while they're in a similar business? Our project manager, our director of IT, really spends a lot of time building those relationships and has learned a lot and said, hey, how can we make things better?
Brian, thank you so much for your time.
No, absolutely. Thank you for having me.
I'm Steph Strickland. You're watching GeekWire Studios.